Hello YouTube, hope you are doing well. Today I am here to show you how you can convert your PDF file into Word file. So without any delay, let's move to our topic. First, open your PDF file. Here you can see that it is my PDF file and I am not able to edit this. So if I want to edit my PDF file, I have to convert it to Word document. So I can easily edit this file. For this, open your browser, then search for a website named I Love PDF. You can convert your PDF file into Word file by many ways, but I recommend you this website because it has many options related to PDF files. So here is the option of PDF to Word. Press on it. After pressing, you have to select your PDF file. Select your PDF file, then press open. And in the right side, you see an option of convert to Word. Press on it and it takes some time. It depends on your internet speed. After this, your file will be converted into Word file. Then press download Word. Here you can see that our PDF file converted to Microsoft Word file. Now I can edit it easily and I write anything on it. So this is the simple way to convert your PDF file into editable Word file. If you have any question, you can ask that question in comment section. I will reply you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.